Hello everyone, welcome to your next online video lesson with me, Teacher Morgan. It is Unit 5 test. It is the Unit 5 test today, lesson number 15. Okay, as I said, I told you today was the unit test, so I hope you're all ready. If you're not, don't worry. In this video, we're going to go over everything that you need to know. Okay, so remember Unit 5, all about time. What is the time? Okay, 5 times table. This is a nice little warm-up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And remember, you do your small hand for the hours, the big hand is the minutes, and then we have your seconds as well. Minutes, hours, and seconds. Okay, remember the hours are the numbers on the clock. The numbers 1 to 12, they are your hours. And here are your minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, so that's why we did your 5 times table, because it's just the number on the clock times 5. Okay, you know that. Now let's look at your clock. What is the time? You know the time already. I know you know the time. It's 10:10. But how do we know it's 10:10? Because the small hand is pointing at 10, so that's 10, and the big hand is pointing at 2, which you times by 5, which gives you 10, that's 10:10. Okay, so remember, the big hand, you need times by 5. Okay, and that's the time. Okay, and remember for the minutes, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 minutes from here to here. And then another 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here to here, then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it goes up in 5s. That's why we do your 5 times table. Okay, now what's the time? The hour is 2 minutes 50, and that's because from here all the way to here it is still 2 o'clock, and then from here to here is 3, then from there to there is 4. Okay, so remember, even though it is nearly 3, it's still not 3 o'clock. It's 10 to 3. So yeah, 2:50 is 10 to 3. 10 to 3. Okay, the question, this is what you need to know for your test. What time do you? What time do you? Now, because it's do, we're talking about things you do when we're looking for verbs. Okay, so here are your verbs. What time do you get up? What time do you go to bed? What time do you eat breakfast? What time do you eat lunch? What time do you eat dinner? And what time do you go to school? Okay, these are your questions. Let's look at the answers. How do we answer it? Okay, what time do you get up? Here's the clock. You changes to I, the verb, I get up at, I get up at the time, which you know is 6:20. Okay, next one. What time do you eat breakfast? There's eat breakfast. You changes to I what? I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast at. I eat breakfast at what time? 7:10. I eat breakfast at 7:10. Okay, next one. What time does he eat lunch? Okay, there's the boy. So we take the pronoun he. He, what does he do? He eats lunch. He eats lunch at 11 o'clock. If the big hand is pointing up, it's o'clock. And remember to add an S. Okay, and what time does she eat dinner? We take down she. She eats dinner at 6:20. Remember to add an S. Sometimes. Oh, yes. What time does she go to bed? Let's do it. What time does she go to bed? She goes to bed at 9:10. She goes to bed at 9:10. And remember, if it's he or she, you have to add an S. But this time is ES because it ends in an O. So go ends in an O. So you add ES. Goes to bed. Okay, very good. It is test time. It's time to look at the test. I know you're ready. You are ready for the test. So let's look at it. Okay, where is it? Here it is. Okay, there's page 1. Okay, and page 1 says draw a line from the clock to the time. Okay, so we have your clocks, 1 clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 clocks. Okay, and here are your times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. And you need to draw a line from the clock to the time. Okay, next part. Section 2, write the answer to the questions below. Okay, so question 1, what time do you eat breakfast? What time do you eat breakfast? So what's the answer? Okay, remember you changes to I. I do what? What's the verb? I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast at. And then you can say any time. Aragadai. You can answer. Okay, next one. What time does he get up? Okay, now this time you need to look at the clock. Okay, and I think we'll do that one together, I think. Okay, so, oh, wait, not done yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. I'm going to go to the test and we can do some of it together. Okay, I'm going to do some of it with you. Okay, so here is page 1. Page 1. Wait, let me zoom out so you can see. Okay, here's page 1. And here is page 2. Okay, page 1 and page 2. Okay, so let's do page 1 first. Let's do page 1. Okay, and I think I can move myself back here. And let's zoom up. Make it a bit bigger. Wait. Is that too much? That's too much. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it together. Section 1, draw a line from the clock to the time. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, what is the time? So we look at the hour. The hour is 6. The minutes, big hand is pointing at 2. So 6:10. It is 6:10. So let's see, it's 9:15? Not as 9:15. It's 6:10. 6:10. 10 minutes past 6 o'clock. Yes. Okay, so let's get a line. And let's draw a line from the clock to the sentence. Just like that. Boom. And let's make it a bit bigger. And let's make it black. Okay. Very good. Okay, so that's number 1. It's 10 past 6. Okay, next one. What is the time? Okay, so the small hand is pointing here. So we know that's 3. The hour is 3. And then how many minutes? We know the big hand is pointing at 9. So that's 45. It is 3:45. Let's see. It's 9:15, not 9:15. We know it's not 10 past 6. It's 4:45. 4:45. A quarter to 4. It's a quarter to 4. 3:45 is a quarter to 4. Same. Okay, so let's get the line. We draw the line to it's 4:45. Okay, and then again, let's make it black and 2. Okay, and let's zoom out. Okay, sure. I'm not going to do all of them for you. Okay, so that is section 1. Okay, so you have to draw a line from the clock to the time. Okay, so that's 1 and 2 done for you. Let's do section 2. Okay, and let's zoom up. Okay, perfect. Section 2, write the answers to the questions below. Write the answers to the questions below. Okay, let's have a look. What time do you eat breakfast? What time do you eat breakfast? Okay. So let's put the text box here. Oh, whoops, my bad. Move it up a bit. Yeah, okay, lovely. Is that fine? Let's bold it up. Let's make it average. Okay, so we know we say I, don't we? We say I, because you changes to I. I do what? I what? What's the verb? What's the verb? I. Oh, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? I, what is the verb? I eat. Eat? I eat. I eat what? I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast at. Now we can say anytime. You can write anytime. Aragadai. I'll give you one. I'll say I eat breakfast at 6. Let's say 6:10. And then put a full stop. And you know what? I'm going to change the writing to caveat. There we go. Okay, and let's make it bigger as well. Let's make it bigger. Yeah, let's make it bigger so it looks cool. Okay. Oh, no. That's not what I wanted. Okay, fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, I eat breakfast at 6:10. Let me just copy that. And let's go here. Oops. Okay, guys, and sorry, I'm nearly done. Nearly ready. And let's put this here. Yes. Okay. Next question. What time does he get up? What time does he get up? So the first word would be he, right? We take the pronoun he. Now we've got get up. So we go get, but get, we need to add an S. Remember, if it's he or she, you add an S. So he gets up, and we say at. Now for this one, we need to look at the clock, okay? So let's look at the clock. What time does he get up? So the hour is 7. So we say 7. He gets up at 7, then the big hand is pointing up at 12. So what do we say if the big hand's pointing up at 12? We say o'clock, and then a full stop as well, a full stop at the end. Okay? So what time does he get up? The answer, he gets up at 7 o'clock. Okay, guys, and that's you. Let me just go back and zoom out to 100. Okay, so remember section 1, can you draw a line from the clock to the time? Just like that. And then section 2 is you have to write the answer to the questions below. So question 1, what time do you eat breakfast? You say I eat breakfast at, then aragadai. Okay, then 2 for 2, 3, 4 and 5, you need to look at the clock, okay? So what time does he get up? He gets up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Okay, and let me go back to the classroom. Okay, are we back? Yes, we're back. And let's go full screen. Okay, so there we have it, guys. Unit test 5, 2 pages. Here's page 1, page 2. Section 1, draw a line from the clock to the time. Section 2, can you write the answer to the questions? Remember, for these ones, you need to look at the clock, okay? So for the first one, you don't need to look at the clock. For this one, this one, this one, and this one, you need to look at the clock, okay? And that's you guys all finished. When you've finished your work, send me a photo of your completed work on the Patai e-learning platform. So when you've finished, take a photo of it and send it to me on the Patai e-learning platform so I can have a look at it. Okay, and that is us all for today, guys. Today was just our unit test review, Unit 5 review. So thank you very much, guys. If you have any questions about the test, you can message me online or through other channels if you want. But that is us all done for today, guys. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video for Unit 6. We'll be starting Unit 6 next. So look forward to that. See you guys. Thank you again.